Alright, this will be another unboxing. The Craftsman V20 grinder kit. This is the 4.5-inch grinder kit. Model CMCG 400M1. The Blue Store's got this on sale right now for $60, depending on where you, which store you go to. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube on this tool. I will be doing a performance review on it, but I just don't understand how they either this is a bad tool or they just don't want them in the store, because I don't understand how they can sell this kit for $60 plus tax out the door. The tool weight claim is 5 pounds, so we'll put that to the test. Now, like all the other tools in the kits that I've purchased from this V20 line, it does come with everything you need in the box to get started. This is a thick manual. I might have to read this one. I don't know why there's so much information. This is a grinder. Now, my main use for this tool would be cutting and not grinding, so this wheel I'll probably never, or this disc I'll probably never use, but it's good that it does include one. And I will be doing a product review on this tool. Now, I don't know if they're going to come out with a 12-volt line, because it seems like all these chargers have a 12-volt and a 12. They can charge either. One bar just like all the other ones, but at least it's got something. Like I'm saying, on the other two tools that I do own on the line, I mean, all the tools, I mean, they really do feel like a quality tool. Just at ridiculous prices. So it must be that they're just trying to move them out to make way for something, maybe a brushless line. Now, this grinder does have the easy pivot shield, which is, I mean, this day and age, if you don't have the easy pivot, I mean, you're wasting your time. I thought it might have had a lock-on feature. It does not. It does have the lock for the easy blade change. Now, this is a quite heavy grinder. You got a metal head on it, so it should be durable. Like I said, the build quality here, the over molds, the feel of the tool, the rigidity. I mean, it's all top notch for 60 bucks. I just don't know how they're selling this tool with the battery. You know, that's better than Harbor Freight prices, really. But the quality here, you can definitely feel it. So I'm going to get this tool set up and see if it actually does work. It does have the 3 positions for the handle. I'm not a fan of the angled handles, but a lot of grinders seem to come with that feature. The tool does work, and unlike some of the cheaper brush tools, there's no sparks. The fit of this battery is not as good as the other tools. I wondered about that because of the shape here is a little different than the other tools. It just seems like this is a little narrower, slimmer than the other tools. It really fits the battery very loose, but I mean, it shouldn't be a big deal. There's no pressure going to be down here. Again, these tools all feel solid. I can't complain on the build quality. And for 60 bucks, I just can't complain on the price either. Alright, that's the initial on the unboxing on the Craftsman angle grinder. If this video has helped you out in any way, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I will be doing a product review on this tool. And if you care, we'll get a weight here. This is as you'd use the tool. About 6 pounds, 4 ounces, ready to go.